Shopify, this store is unavailable or store not loading. Step-by-step fix guide. 1. Check store status. Server-side issue. Visit www.shopifystatus.com. If Shopify servers are down or under maintenance, you'll see the notice here. 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings. Clear cache, cookies, and site data. Reload the site. 3. Disable VPN proxy. Shopify may block suspicious IPs or regions. Turn off any VPN or proxy tools and retry. 4. Try an incognito private window. This bypasses any browser extensions or corrupted cache. Shortcut Control-Shift-N, Chrome Edge, or Command-Shift-N Mac. 5. Check DNS hosting configuration. If you use a custom domain, not yourstore.myshopify.com, ensure a record points to 23.227.38.65, points to shops.myshopify.com. 6. Billing or plan issue. If the store owner has missed a payment, closed the store, violated terms, the store will show this message. Log in as admin to check billing status. 7. Contact Shopify support. Go to lotsthecanet.help.shopify.com/shopifycom. Ask if the store was suspended or deleted due to policy violations or inactivity.